Okay, everyone, when I say never tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason, I mean it. I mean it. You should never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Because if you pull the fire alarm for fun, you will end up like Mikey from Darman. You don't want to end up like Mikey from Darman because he pulled the fire alarm for fun. Guess what happened to him? That's right, he got arrested. Fire alarms are not a joke. They are not toys. Fire alarms are meant to be taken very seriously. So, if you don't listen to me, then you will be locked up in jail. So, listen to me and never ever pull fire alarms for fun, and never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment in public buildings because these are life safety devices. These things alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. So these are not to be messed around with. If you have your own fire alarms at home, then you can mess around with them, but in a public building, no, that is absolutely not okay at all. It is a felony because you are putting the public in danger. So, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Bye.